Thanks for logging on. I'm meteorologist John Patrick with your most accurate forecast. It is a weather action day for us here at ABC 15 as we track our next winter storm getting ready to head on into Arizona. We do have some wind and winter weather advisories in effect for some parts of the state and cooler days ahead for everybody else. Of course, the first thing we feel when these storms move through are those winds start to pick up throughout the day. Even here in the valley, we could be seeing sustained winds anywhere from 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting up to 30 at times as we head into the late afternoon and early evening hours. Strongest winds as usual will be felt up across northern sections of Arizona, anywhere from 15 to 30, gusting up to 50 at times as we head into the second half of the day on Tuesday. But as we head into the evening and overnight hours, those winds start to calm down for us, and they should be much lighter through the day on Wednesday, about 5 to 15 statewide. Until then, though, we do have a wind advisory in effect for northern sections of Arizona, anywhere from Flagstaff east along I-40 and down toward the Mogollon Rim. That's where those winds are expected to be the strongest, again gusting up to around 50 miles an hour at times through about 5 p.m. Tuesday. And we also have a winter weather advisory in effect for northern Arizona along the rim, including the Flagstaff Williams area. This goes from 5 p.m. this evening all the way through 5 a.m. Wednesday morning. That actually stretches down to southeastern sections of Arizona as well. So those showers starting to move into western sections of Arizona as we head into the late morning and early afternoon hours. As we put our futurecast into motion, you'll see it's going to take it a few hours for those showers to get here into the Phoenix area. They should be here anywhere after 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon. So keep that in mind. Your evening commute could be a little slow when we get those showers going. We're going to keep that chance of rain around really right on into the evening and overnight hours right here in the valley before this storm system starts to kick east through the night. By early tomorrow morning, we should still have some snow showers ongoing for the higher elevations of eastern Arizona before we really start to clear out through the daytime hours on Wednesday. So how much snow are we talking? Well, could come down to around 3,500 feet by early Wednesday morning, but most of that accumulation will be above about 4,500 feet. So places like Prescott, you could pick up about 1 to 3 inches of snow with this one. Flagstaff Williams, anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches. Here in the valley, we're hoping for about 1/10 to 1/4 inch of rain. So, we're not expecting any flooding issues or anything like that with this one. Just to put a little bit of a dent in our rainfall deficit, which is nearing 1.25 inches now. Daytime highs across the valley today will make it up into the mid-60s before that cold front moves through. Late tonight, early tomorrow morning, we'll see those numbers drop back down into the upper 30s and low 40s for us to start your Wednesday off. Daytime highs up in Flagstaff today, right around 38 degrees. We'll make it up into the mid to upper 40s from Heber, right on down to Show Low. Payson and Prescott, you'll top out right at around 50. But overnight tonight, you'll see those temperatures drop down into the teens at the Grand Canyon, into the low 20s from Flagstaff, right on over into the White Mountains of Show Low. So let's go ahead and bring your 7-day forecast in for you. Expecting about a 90% chance of showers here in the valley. Again, this is mainly for the evening and into the early overnight hours. Wednesday, just a slight chance for a lingering shower or two out there. Most of those will be east of the valley, though. Daytime highs on Wednesday only topping out in the low 60s before we start to warm up and dry out as we head into your upcoming weekend. Those 70s will be back by Friday, and they're going to kind of hover right around that 70-degree mark all the way into early next week.